Here's how to fix your camera if it's not working on Android. Now, if you have your phone and you're trying to use the camera, maybe in an app itself, or maybe to just take a photo or a video, I'm going to show you how to get that fixed. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, there are two different places you might be using the camera. You might just be tapping on the camera here and open it up, or use the front selfie camera or the back camera, and you might be taking photos or videos, but you also might be using that camera in another app. So what we're going to do is we're going to swipe up and we're going to get into your settings first. Now, once we're in your settings, let's scroll down until we find the option for apps and tap on that. Now, let's say there might be an instance where you're trying to use that camera, let's say in a Snapchat app. So it's not working in Snapchat. All you need to do is navigate to Snapchat and make sure under permissions, tap on that, make sure camera is turned on. So of course, camera is set to not allow. So I can tap on it and I can switch it to allow only while using the app. And then I can go back. And now Snapchat will be allowed to use my camera. If there was a permission issue, this fixes any permission issue. But there could be an issue with the camera itself. So let's do two different things to help fix that. Let's go back here, but still in the apps section. And let's scroll up until we find the option for camera. So let's scroll up and tap on camera. Now, from here, let's scroll down. And you can see storage here. Tap on storage. And what you're going to do first is clear the cache for the camera and then clear data and hit delete. What this does is it brings the camera app back to factory default. And a lot of times if there are any issues with your camera, with the software of it, it just resets it. The next thing I would recommend doing is going back to the very beginning. So let's go to the beginning of your settings. And then we're going to just scroll down, keep scrolling down until you find the option for software update and tap on that. Now tap on download and install a software update, or just check to see if there's a software update. Keep in mind, a lot of times software updates for bugs or glitches on your camera are built into the Android updates. So just update your phone to the latest version and that should help to fix it. Now, another thing you can do is check to see if there are physical issues with the camera itself. So, for instance, maybe there's a case that you have partially covering one of the cameras on there, or your case is partially covering the front of the camera, and you might just want to take the case or the screen protector off, and that might help it. The last thing I would recommend doing is just swiping down from the top right, and then just tapping on the power icon here, and then just restarting your phone. You'd be surprised how many times just restarting your phone fixes a lot of bugs or glitches. If you're still having issues with the camera, it might be a hardware issue, and you might need to take it in to be serviced and to check on those cameras to see if they might need to be replaced. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.